Evening, folks. This is just laughs and giggles tonight, and trying to do three. But probably I'll wake up later on tonight and put this on. I have to do this thing before bed. That's going to hurt. I got to eat a few things. Now, I'll show you a few tricks, okay? One, I tell everybody, I got the dog with me, watching it. Get this book. This is for the people in suburbia. Okay, it's simple and it's not hard. It's written by a housewife living in suburbia. Okay, they cover everything you need to know. You don't need to be like Uncle Al has all the stuff. You keep it fairly simple and small. Okay, it'll feed your family, it'll feed you, and it has tips and stuff I've been repeating to other open live mics and stuff. Okay, it should be down on the list. Okay, I'll make sure it goes down there. This is just for laughs. Okay, remember everybody was laughing at old Uncle Al when he made these little packages of 3 days worth of food and drink and stuff? You know, something to eat, hot oatmeal, hard candies, raisins, power bars. Simple stuff. Put it in a little bag, tuck it away someplace. Another trick I tell people, the old GI cup. You can't go wrong with it. No seam, solid. If you need to, you could kill somebody with it. Okay? And last but not least is a Swiss Army knife. Okay? Simple tricks. All right, dates. I always or have my brother send me up from where he lives. He lives near a date farm, and I get about 2 kilos. That's 4 pounds for you guys. Oops. Excuse me. And then the old standby, peanut butter and jelly. Sometimes I put peanut butter and Vegemite. I like it salty. Of course, I have onions with it too, but most people who look at my sandwiches, I'm going to eat a peanut butter and onion and butter with Vegemite sandwich. And they run away. Okay. Now, let's see what we got up. Some days it just ain't worth doing stuff. It's like, it just drives you nuts. Okay, now I have here under my playlist on Pinterest, okay, and it's on it's under Alan Sato under Pinterest. Go check it out. This is Joe Biden's plan for the state of the speech or Ukraine problem. See? Take a good look at it. If you want a better picture, you go over to my Pinterest site and check it out. That's everything you see, read right down there, like tells everything he has to do, which is really bad for us. Okay. And this is Canada. And underneath is America. Okay? Women with guns. All right? Canadian, American. Big difference. And the rest is fashion. Okay? You're a typical Democrat. In the DC area, that's a Democrat for you. I wouldn't say Russian. And for you newer kids in Tennessee, I'm trying to find something that's funny because it's like a lot of bad things going on. And oh yeah, this is my favorite. If you stare hard enough, it's either Adolf Hitler or you can check that out. I thought that was funny as hell myself. Nobody has a sense of humor nowadays. If anybody thinks Russia's the new North Korea and China is using as a puppet, you need to pull your head out of the rectum. Okay, I have to go now. My mom's been acting up again. You have a nice night. Catch you later, folks.